Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we are going to explore one of the most important symbols of the United States, the Great Seal. You may have seen on official documents, dollar bills, and even passports. But do you know what its symbols mean? Every element of the Great Seal represents the values and history of the nation. Let's uncover its secrets together. The Great Seal was officially adopted on June 20th, 1782, after the Founding Fathers spent 6 years designing it. At the center of the seal is a bald eagle, the national bird of the United States. The eagle holds an olive branch in one talon, symbolizing peace, and a bundle of 13 arrows in the other, representing strength and readiness for defense. These 13 arrows stand for the original 13 colonies that formed the United States. Above the eagle's head is a banner with the Latin phrase e pluribus unum, which means out of many one. This phrase represents the unity of the states coming together to form one nation. The eagle's head is turned toward the olive branch, emphasizing the country's preference for peace over war. On the eagle's chest is a shield with 13 red and white stripes, symbolizing the original states. The stripes are supported by a blue section at the top, representing Congress and the unity of the government. The colors of the shield also have meaning. Red symbolizes bravery, white stands for purity, and blue represents vigilance and justice. On the reverse side of the Great Seal, there's an unfinished pyramid with 13 steps, symbolizing the country's growth and strength. At the top of the pyramid is the all-seeing eye, representing divine guidance. Above the eye is the Latin phrase annuit coeptis, meaning he has favored our undertakings, and below the pyramid is Navis Ordo Seclorum, which translates to a new order of the ages, signifying the beginning of a new era in history. The Great Seal is more than just an emblem. It is a reflection of the ideals and principles on which the United States was built. It represents unity, strength, peace, and the vision of a nation guided by justice and freedom. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know the meaning behind the symbols of the Great Seal of the United States. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.